hammering down. And we're right flooded. Well, the puppy pens are. So this is the cat room. Kitty's still here, look, on the top of the frame. Don't know quite what to make of it all. These are loving it. Because they can play. Which is obviously what puppies want to do. And up there, because it's flooded, all they could do is stay in the there's a big kennel, but even so. So they're here until the rains stop. I'm supposed to be here for about a week. One of them in there having a light field day. I know you can't come out of here. This is where you've got to stay. Are you peeing on that? Yes, you are. Bugger. Jesus, there's going to be tons of washing. Anyway, the cats can either stay in here if they choose. They're up out the way up there. Or I've put their little house thing just here. That's what they sleep in. So they can suit themselves. But you can't come out. You cannot come out. No, you can't. Go and play. A lot happier here.